Do you love fixing things with your hands? Have you always had a knack for spotting things that need repairing or improving? If so, a career as a handyman could be perfect for you. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my JobMesh YouTube channel, where we explore awesome jobs and careers. In today's video, I want to give you the inside scoop on working as a handyman. We'll talk about what handymen do, required skills, average pay, qualifications, career growth, and more. I'll also take you along for a day in the life so you can see if this hands-on fix-it career is something you'd enjoy. Let's get started. Job description. A handyman is responsible for performing a wide variety of repair, maintenance, installation, and improvement tasks for homes, businesses, schools, hospitals, and commercial properties. As a jack of all trades, the duties are broad and varied day to day. The handyman will complete general repairs such as fixing, mending, troubleshooting, assembling, and installing items like furniture, fixtures, equipment, appliances, doors, and windows. Electrical repairs are also common, involving diagnosing issues, repairing lighting, outlets, switches, and appliances, and installing new electrical components and fixtures. Plumbing repairs involve identifying and fixing leaks, unclogging drains, maintaining pipes, and installing new sinks, faucets. Carpentry and drywall repair tasks include fixing wood trim, replacing door hinges, patching holes, and painting. Responsibilities. Some core handyman responsibilities include painting, assisting, assembly, electrical work, general repairs, customer service, gutter maintenance, outdoor maintenance, door-window repairs, appliance maintenance. Job types. Common handyman job titles include green handyman, general handyman, electrical handyman, plumbing handyman, carpentry handyman. Salary. In the UK, handymen earn between £23,000 to £30,000 per year on average. Those with more specialized skills or self-employed businesses can earn upwards of £40,000 annually. Hours vary dramatically by job type and employer. Full-time weekday hours are common, but handymen often work nights and weekends and are on call for emergencies outside 9 to 5 too. It's a flexible schedule but also unpredictable at times. Qualifications. Formal education isn't required to become a handyman. Most complete an apprenticeship and gain on-the-job training. Some earn qualifications like NVQ in their trade, CityNamp, Guild certificates, BTEC diplomas. A day in the life of a handyman. A day in the life of a handyman can be filled with various tasks and challenges. They may differ depending on your exact job profile and role. However, each handyman job has a certain set of daily tasks that need to be both addressed and executed. Let's have a close look at what a day in the life of a handyman can look like. Planning and preparation. Before you set off for your first job of the day, you need to plan your working day meticulously. This involves reviewing your work schedule and the list of clients you are seeing that day. You also need to prepare for the upcoming jobs. This involves checking your tools and materials. Is everything you need in its place? Do you have sufficient replacements, or do you need to stop off at a hardware store on the way? You should also check that your vehicle is shipshape, since being a handyman includes some driving around and traveling. Repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance are what your job as a handyman is mainly about. Depending on your handyman's qualifications and specifications, this can include various repairs and maintenance, such as fixing leaks, installing new electrical fixtures, repairing furniture, or doing wall touch-ups. This part of your working day can involve a certain amount of problem solving, since not every job is an easy and quick one. Paperwork. Paperwork can be another part of a day in the life of a handyman, especially when the handyman is running his own business. This paperwork stretches from doing invoices to managing the books and finances. It can also include reviewing the work schedule and penciling in new appointments. How to find a handyman job in the UK. Visit jobmesh.co.uk and search for handyman openings across the UK. As you can see from these results, new handyman roles are posted daily across various sectors. With the right skills, you can land that perfect handyman job. Now you know where to look. Alright everyone, there's your inside look at the life of a handyman. As you can see, handymen get to stretch their fix-it skills across all kinds of maintenance and repair challenges. No 2 days are the same. If you don't mind getting your hands dirty, have solid DIY abilities, and like helping people solve problems, it could be a rewarding career path for you. Let me know if you have any other handyman questions in the comments. Want to shadow more jobs? What career should I cover next? Subscribe and stay tuned for more career spotlights coming up on my channel.